Hi friends, this is I Old Monk and today we are with the Samsung Galaxy M40. I guess you have already seen the unboxing in our channel. We have also done the gaming review of Samsung Galaxy M40 and a quick comparison with Samsung Galaxy M30. Now in this video we will tell you how to personalize your device. We will also tell you how to do some quick tips and tricks in the display and the security. Now talking about the device, when you hold the screen, here you get the definitely the weather is there. If you go to the widget setting, there is feature where you can put it white. There is also transparency which you can change. So here you can see in the wallpaper, it comes with a white background over the weather. So this is what is coming. You can change that, and you can change the layout again with black also, and you can change the transparency. So this is according to you what you need. Basically it is to the settings to personalize your device how you feel, how you want to. The device comes with a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus display. In this you also get a multiple theme and wallpaper settings, so definitely you don't need to download any third-party app. You get, definitely there are two options. There will be a paid and free option. So if you want free, you can go and get the free. You can just download it through internet, and if you want to get the, and you can just go and do the payment and it will be your thing definitely, and it can be used for the devices which are supportable with these Galaxy things. So I'm not sure that in other smartphone which have a different display. This is come with the Infinity O display, and if you are having Infinity U display, it may be not supportable, but there is also a dark theme which is a good thing. So there are wallpapers you can purchase, you can theme you can purchase. So there are two kinds of dark wallpaper. One is with the blue accent and one is with the yellow accent. Here you can see the yellow accent. I will just apply it. It shows that high contrast theme. It is the name of the theme, and once we apply, you can see the all the things will be changing into the dark mode. And if we scroll the notification bar here, you can see everything has been just to dark. Now I'm just putting a wallpaper on the home screen so that it looks pretty much easier for you guys to check it out. There is a motion effect which you can apply, and here how it will change while in your desktop mode. So you can see the motion effect on the desktop. Now talking about this, you can see the notification is coming with the dark theme. It has a yellow accent on it, and there is also a night mode. But I will tell you one more thing, you can't put the night mode on the dark theme. You have to switch it back to the white theme first, and then the night mode will be applicable on the device. The device also has the NFC support in it. It has a smart view. So the smart view is directly your phone to other devices. It may be on your TV or your laptop or something like that. You can cast your screen. There's NFC support, what I have already told you. There's ultra data saving option coming with the device, and you are also getting a navigation bar. Actually it will change it into the gesture feature if you want to switch it on. These are the physical keys. Now talking about the Dolby Atmos, here you can read it. Once you are put in with the earphones, then it will play into act. So the Dolby Atmos will come into act only once the earphones are plugged in. So here you can see I am just putting the night mode on, but it will not work until and unless I have changed the theme into a white one. Now I am again putting the white theme so that you can see that how the night mode works here. Now you can see the entire theme is on the white base, and once I put the night mode, it is easily applicable. There is no hiccup in that. Even the Google search bar also turns into black color, and this will be completely in the blue accent for that everything. So this is what we are getting in the personalization. Now going to the settings of the device, here you can also see a dark mode is there. This is due to the night mode. Let me remind you once back. Now talking about the display, it has a adaptive brightness which you can switch it on or switch it off. So it will adapt according to your outdoor condition or indoor condition, the light according to it. Now here you can see the night mode. You can again switch it off and switch it on. You can also change the font size and style. Now I'm putting the night mode because it is much easier for you guys to check it out. Now talking about the font size and style, here you can see you can change the font size. you can increase or decrease as per your requirement. And also talking about the style, you can change the style into Samsung one Gothic bold, and you can also download some fonts if you want to. If you want the bold font, you can switch it on and put it into the bold font. If you want to switch it off, you can switch off the bold font. So this is what you are getting in the personalization. This will be applicable into the entire reading or writing section. It may be a message, it may be a Facebook, it may be other apps. Here you can see, if you screen zoom, it will zoom the entire whatever the screen displays. And here you can see I have again decreased it. This is the normal view what it will be coming on your device. Now talking about the full screen apps, here it is given the apps what are coming for the full screen. You can change them, and it is currently in auto, and you can change them to full screen. So you can definitely change those things. If you put into the full screen, it will also come into the picture where the punch hole display will be in the app. Now talking about the home screen, here you are getting the layout. Going to the layout, there you can see there you are having a home screen only, or you want an app drawer separately. It is up to you. So you want an app drawer, it will much more better if you like that way. Now talking about the grids, here if you change the grid, it is number of apps present in the device. It will show in those formats. So it is 4:5, 4:6, 4:7. So there is number of apps. It will shrink the icon size and put the apps there on the display, on the wallpaper you can say, or on the home screen. So you can change that. There is also apps button which you can put. This will actually enable your app drawer button. Here you can see the app drawer button is there, and you can change it again off and switch. Once you switch it off, then the app drawer will be gone. And once it is gone, here you can see the app drawer is gone. It will directly, if you swipe up, you will go to the app drawer. And now talking about, there is app icon badges. It is basically the number of notifications you are getting per app. It will be displayed. If you want to switch it off, you can switch it off. Once you switch off, you will not get that. And you can swipe the apps from your notification panel at the same time. Now this is what you are getting in that. And other normal settings are there. Rotate to landscape mode. If you want your home screen to also rotate at the same time, you can do that. You can hide your apps from your desktop so that you don't want other people to see what are the apps you are using. Quick open panel notification here. One more thing is very easy. If you swipe on the big screen, definitely the quick function will enable the all notification coming in the home screen. So this is a good feature. If you want it, you can use that. And there is home lock screen layout lock also present in the device. So this is what we got getting in the home screen. Now talking about the navigation bar, here you can see there is a two navigation pattern where the back button is on the right and another is the back button is on the left. There is also a gesture feature. If you want to switch it on, you can see there is no buttons on the screen. So the navigation buttons are totally gone, and if you want them back, it is up to you. Now I will suggest you to practice it before you go out of the navigation bar, because it is sometimes get difficult because you forget the gesture and it doesn't work. There is also touch sensitivity which you can increase from your side, and there is a screensaver which if you want you can switch it on. If you want, you have the solid color photo frames or the photo table or from the Google Photos, wherever you want and which photos you want to showcase in your screensaver. So this is what we are getting in the home screen. Now this is in the display. I am skipping the wallpaper and themes because I have already shown you that part. Now coming to the lock screen, in the device you are getting a face unlock, the fingerprint unlock also, and there is pattern or pin code, whatever you want. So I have put the pattern, and this is the normal pattern I commonly use in my devices. Talking about the pin and password, there is a face recognition and the fingerprint. I will tell you how to do the setup for the device. And here you can switch it on and switch it off, the fingerprint or the face unlock if you want to. But how you will change the face unlock or change your fingerprint sensor, I will show you in the biometric and the security. If you go to the face and security, here we will do the face unlocking. Currently I will remove the previous one what was register, and I will register one more for you guys. Also the fingerprints, I will remove them so that you guys can see how to install or enroll the fingerprint on your device. So I'm just removing the old one and will enroll the new one for you guys. It's definitely an easy thing, not a big thing for you guys to do. But if you go to the lock screen, here you can see there is only pattern. Now I will go to the lock screen, I will change the put the pattern here, and then there will be face, and it will ask you to do the face enrollment. So first, the face recognition is very easy. The first step, it will ask that you wear the specs or not. If you are not, then go ahead, and once you start, it will start recognizing. It takes less than a minute, and it does very easily. So here you see the face registered has been done. There are three things where you are getting the brightness, screen, faster recognition, and stay on lock screen. So put all the three on. As I am telling you right now, this will help you in the low light scenarios, and the face unlock will be done very easily. Talking about the fingerprint sensor, here it tells that how to do the fingerprint sensor enroll. So the fingerprint sensor is physically present at the back side. It also takes less than 30 seconds or less than a minute to enroll it, and you just have to tap multiple times, and once you start tapping it, it will recognize your finger, and you can put up to 4 or 5 fingers. I'm still not sure, but there are multiple fingerprints can be registered here for the device. It will ask you again to try out once more. Once it is try out done, then your face and your fingerprint has been unlocked. Now I will show you how the demo works. Here you can see the face unlock working very smoothly, and it is unlocking. You can see the lock on the top, and it is unlocking the device very easily. Now talking about the fingerprint sensor at the back, here I will show you the demo for that. It takes very few seconds. It is quite fast and quick to unlock the device. So there is definitely the security measures have been done. So this is what we are getting in the lock screen and the biometric. I have told you that part also. There is no always on display in the device, but here you can change the locks of your lock screen, which is a good part. If you want a different style of lock screen, you can change them, you can apply them. There is a roaming clock on. If you are traveling to another place, they have the roaming clock. You can also put in the lock screen the music, alarm, weather. These are the few features you can put it. If you want to show your contact information on the lock screen, you can put that also. And if you want the notification on the lock screen, you can change that also. There is also buttons in the corners or buttons to be hidden. Here you can see the right side, it is having the call button. On the left side, it is having the camera button. You can change and customize those also according to your needs or your apps, what you need or you think that the best are for the device. So this is the part 1 for Galaxy M40. Here we have showcased all the personalization, display, themes, and also the security setting. So these are the things done. There will be part 2 and part 3 coming soon for the device Samsung Galaxy M40. This is all in this video. This is @IOldMonk signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.